Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The Dodge Challenger is an iconic American muscle car known for its bold design and high-performance capabilities. Originally introduced in 1970, it quickly became a classic, and its modern versions have continued to evolve while retaining the essence of muscle car tradition. The Challenger's key characteristics include its aggressive, wide stance, retro-inspired aesthetics, and powerful engine options. In the 2025 model, Dodge has taken a major step by introducing an all-electric version, marking its entry into the future of performance vehicles. This new electric Challenger boasts over 500 horsepower and offers a range of 300 miles, thanks to an advanced 85 kWh lithium-ion battery. However, it doesn't sacrifice the muscle car spirit, with a design that harks back to the golden era of muscle cars. 2025 Dodge.com YouTube. The 2025 Dodge Challenger is a muscle car that has been refined to offer exceptional performance and power. Here's a breakdown of its key features, pricing, and review sources. Key features: powerful engines. The Challenger offers a range of engine options, from the base 3.6 liters V6 to the supercharged 6.2 liters Hemi V8 in the Hellcat Red Eye, delivering up to 797 horsepower. Improved handling. The Challenger's suspension and launch control systems have been enhanced for better responsiveness and control. Modern interior. The cabin features a 10.1-inch Uconnect infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with comfortable and spacious seating. Customizable options. The Challenger offers various customization options, including different colors, wheels, and trim packages. Pricing. The starting price for the 2025 Dodge Challenger is around $32,000 for the base model. The Hellcat Red Eye starts at around $90,000. Review sources: YouTube. There are numerous YouTube channels that have done reviews of the 2025 Dodge Challenger, including 2025 Dodge Challenger, Muscle Car Power Perfected. First look: https://www.youtube.com/wash v=nuxwvsxmnc 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Review, Muscle Car Mastery, https://www.youtube.com/wash v=nhhw48scope. Car and Driver. Car and Driver has provided a detailed overview of the 2025 Dodge Challenger, including its pricing, features, and performance. https://www.carandriver.com/dodge/charger 2023. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Challenger is a true muscle car that offers exceptional power, performance, and style. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a weekend warrior, the Challenger has something to offer.